Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shruti Sandeep Pawar. This is my second video on YouTube. If you like my previous video, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Today we are discussing on important topic of OC, Organization of Commerce and Management. So there is one topic, nature and scope of business. What is meant by business? Firstly, business is a human activity. What is meant by human activity? Human activity means the human are doing to do their livelihood to get some money. That is called human activity. So human activity further divided into two activities: economical activity, non-economical activity. Economical activity is that activity that human used to do and earn money from it. It's called economical activity. And non-economical activity means that activity we doing to satisfy our needs and hobby, we not get some return from it. So basically business is a human activity directed and providing wealth through buying and selling activity. Means what is business? Business means buying or selling of goods and services for money or its wealth. So let us scope of business. The concept of business. The concept of business is very broadly displayed. That is the important aspect of business. The goods are maybe agricultural goods or manufacturing goods. We making production of goods and services with the use of manpower and machine power. So first, definition of business is defined by Professor L.H. Haney. In his upcoming definition, he said that business activities are all those human activities which are directed towards the production and processing of wealth. Means in his definition, he have to confirm the production of goods and services by a manufacturer to final consumer. It related to the main aim is to earn wealth or profit from business. So in this definition, we learn that the business is a human activity directed towards the production of goods and services to final consumer. The next important terms is features of business. There are 7 features of business. They can ask in question paper peculiarities of business or maybe characteristics. So don't get confused. These 3 terms are one only. They can ask me the features, peculiarities or characteristics. So in business there are 7 characteristics of business. You can say features of business. In 7, first is involve production and distribution. The business involve production and distribution. Second is dealing in goods and services. Third is involve exchanges. Fourth, aim at profit. Fifth is continuity. Sixth is risk. And seventh is two parties. Next is explanation of features of business. As we learn, there is a 7 features in business. So first is involve production and distribution. For conducting the businessman should first do production activity to conduct that product to came in market. Production means making the goods and processing the goods, and distribution means that goods may be given to the final consumer. So the first activity is production and distribution is very important. Without production the business can't take place. So we have to understand this is the first step of business, production and distribution of goods and services. Second is the business is basically deals in goods and services. The business is basically done for goods and services to earn some money. So we have to take care the business goods are properly distributed to consumer. That's why business is basically deals in goods and services. Means to produce goods and services and give to the final consumer. They use the services and render the services. Third is involve exchanges. Business is involve exchanges. It may be consumer good or capital good. The consumer goods are which the consumer are ultimately wants, and the capital goods are the consumer are demanded for specifically that goods. Okay. The fourth is aim at profit. Every profit and business organization is first aim to profit. How we can earn the profit, how we can make that product that much attractive that everyone can purchase and that we get more and more earns profit from this product. Fifth is continuity. The business may be continue activity. We can say today we doing business, next day no. No. The production has to be daily conducted and distribution also daily conducted. You say one day we only do production, next day we only do distribution. This is not. Business is a continue activity and we have to change some activity according to the scenario of the market. Sixth is risk. The risk is business is very important. The risk can be insurable risk and uninsurable risk. Insurable risk means risk that we have paid some money doing insurance that we get. If we have some by loss by fire and theft, then we can get some money from insurance company. And another risk was Insurable risk means the natural calamities can come, flood, famines, like this. So risk is very important, and without risk the business can't take place. So this is six features of business. Carefully understand, this will make you learn how to be a businessman. And one seventh feature of business is two party. For conducting business they require two parties. One is seller, one is buyer. The seller want to sell his product and buyer want to purchase that product. So this is very important. You can't do I am business, I can do alone. No, the business requires two parties. First is buyer and second was seller. The seller is the first person and buyer is the second person who take the goods. So these are the seven features of business. If you understand, this is very important topic, and this is, it must ask in exams what are the features. Don't get confused among features, peculiarity and characteristic. These all are one same. So please carefully read this. So guys, in this video we discussing nature and scope of business. First we started with human activity. The human activity divided into two parts. First is economical and second was uneconomical. Uneconomical and ineconomical. Economical activity means we activity that we get money. Non-economical activity that we do for our satisfaction or need. In there was three divided into three terms. In economical activity, first is business, second was professional, and third was employment. First we conducted in this whole video the first topic of business. We did with the definitions of business and features of business. If you like this video, to please like my channel and subscribe my channel. And if you have some difficulty to speak in or understand the English, you can add comment and ask for me Hindi also. I can make for that also. I hope you like the video. Thank you.